Right now, half of consumers don't start their buying journey on a company website. They pull out their phones and ask a chatbot for recommendations. We spent 2 decades typing exact keywords into a search bar, optimizing pages to appease a single algorithmic gatekeeper. That system is being bypassed. Today's generative AI models ingest massive amounts of data and synthesize direct answers for the user, skipping the list of blue links entirely. If your product isn't listed in that AI's top 3 recommendations, your brand is effectively invisible to a modern buyer. This creates what we call the visibility black hole. Your brand might rank number 1 on traditional search results, but when a buyer asks an AI for the best tool in your category, you are completely ignored in favor of a competitor. Even worse, the AI might hallucinate. It pulls from outdated reviews or stale documents and tells a prospect your software costs $249 a month instead of your actual price of $149, actively scaring them away before you even know they exist. To correct these machine errors, brands are shifting their strategy toward Generative Engine Optimization, or GEO. SEO relies on arranging keywords to catch a human's eye. GEO engineers the underlying truth of your brand into a clean format that a machine can perfectly ingest, stopping the AI from guessing and failing. Large language models don't search keywords. They predict the next word based on mathematical probability. But modern websites are loaded with JavaScript and visual noise. When an AI crawler reads this, the complex code breaks the probability path, forcing the model to guess your features. To solve this, we use selective markdown routing. The server detects an AI user agent and dynamically serves it a stripped-down, purely text-based version of the site. This is paired with an LLMS.txt file, a standardized, machine-readable summary that acts as a direct, uncorrupted feed of your facts. By removing the digital noise, you give the AI a clear source of truth. It stops guessing, and your features are cited flawlessly. Formatting your own website is only the first step. When 5 brands offer the exact same product, how does the AI mathematically decide which one to recommend first? It looks for consensus. The models scrape high-authority platforms like Reddit forums, Stack Overflow answers, or Wikipedia pages to verify facts and see what humans are actually saying, rather than trusting your marketing copy. This requires semantic seeding. By injecting highly specific query-answer pairings into these trusted external platforms, you build a dense, machine-readable consensus that points directly to your brand. We can map this process in reverse. Using citation path tracing, we work backward from an AI response to see the exact 2-year-old Reddit thread that convinced Perplexity to recommend a competitor over you. We then scan for vulnerabilities. When a competitor's visibility relies on stale, outdated citations, those nodes become weak points. We displace them by seeding fresh, optimized facts into the same trusted networks. The AI's answer is a math equation. Brands that actively architect their presence across these external platforms systematically push their competitors out of the calculation. Ultimately, this is about capturing the buyer. Across retail, SaaS, and professional services, the final purchase decision is now happening entirely inside the chat window. The traditional metrics of search volume and page rank are giving way to something new: share of model. This chart from McKinsey tracks the relative share of voice in AI-powered search results across 5 different brands. It illustrates exactly how share of model works, measuring how frequently and positively an AI agent recommends you compared to your competitors in the market. Generative Engine Optimization provides the necessary framework for brands to protect their narrative and capture revenue in the AI-driven economy.